Good morning, everybody. No, I haven't been on the past couple of days. I've been really tired. It just, I guess, me not sleeping very well for over a month, it just finally gave in. It's kind of like I'm a car and it said, put it, put it. You gotta pull over to the side of the road and get towed into the garage. So I guess that's what I did. So now I'm I'm better. Whew, I've never slept so much in my life. I was going on like 3, 4 hours at best a night or a day, whatever. Now I think I slept close to 24 hours in the past 2 days. So, so I'm tuned up. I'm tuned up and ready to go. So, I made chili yesterday. I know. Did you put macaroni in it? Yes, I did. I always do. Anyway, I will talk to you all later. I might make some special brownies today. Yeah. Talk to y'all later. Peace out.